What if one of the most legendary budget vans in the world made a comeback, redesigned for 2026? This is the Maruti Suzuki Omni Van 2026, a compact van concept that could surprise the global market. Simple, practical, and shockingly relevant. What is the Omni? The Omni name is iconic across Asia. For decades, it was known as the ultimate utility vehicle, affordable, reliable, and incredibly versatile. From family transport to delivery vans, from school rides to small businesses, Omni did it all. Now imagine that same idea, rebuilt for the modern world. 2026 design philosophy. The Maruti Suzuki Omni Van 2026 keeps its boxy DNA, but with a modern twist. Clean body lines, short overhangs, a tall roof for maximum headroom, LED headlamps, a smooth front fascia, and simplified panels give it a minimal, urban-friendly look. It's not flashy, and that's exactly the point. Color options, USA taste. For a global audience, color matters. Expected USA-friendly colors could include pearl Arctic white, steel gray metallic, midnight black, ocean blue, and forest green matte. These shades match urban lifestyles, delivery fleets, and even the growing van life culture in America. Interior and space. Inside, the Omni 2026 is all about space and flexibility. A flat floor design, simple dashboard, wide opening doors, seats can be folded or removed, turning the van into a mini cargo hauler. This layout makes it perfect for small businesses, food delivery startups, or even DIY camper conversions. Engine and performance. The Omni Van 2026 concept focuses on efficiency rather than speed. A small petrol engine, mild hybrid, or even an electric version could be possible. Low running costs, easy maintenance, city-focused performance. This van is built to work, not race. Why the USA market might care. In the USA, compact vans are slowly making a comeback. Rising fuel prices, urban congestion, growing delivery services. People want simple, affordable, and efficient vehicles again. The Omni 2026 fits right into that mindset. Omni versus modern vans. Unlike large cargo vans, the Omni is compact and easy to park. Unlike expensive electric vans, it stays budget-friendly. And unlike SUVs, it actually prioritizes usable space. It's not luxury, it's logic. Expected price and positioning. If priced aggressively, the Omni Van 2026 could become one of the most affordable utility vehicles in its segment. Perfect for startups, city businesses, and practical buyers. Final verdict. The Maruti Suzuki Omni Van 2026 is not about trends. It's about purpose, and sometimes simplicity is the real innovation.